Man, it's hard to talk in front of a camera when it's just like me and the camera. I just know I've wanted to make a YouTube channel for years and years now. I've tried off and on, but I just struggled with it. Um, Never really knew what it should be about. Like I've tried coffee stuff, and I thought that would be fine, but then I tend to like overthink stuff. Like maybe it's too saturated with people. Maybe no one will watch it, and I struggle with like identity, authenticity. Um, so not knowing what it's gonna be about is kind of the point, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. I have so many hobbies, so many. Like I did triathlon. I've I've done Ironmans. I've done three half Ironmans, and then I did a full just to do a full. And then I love cycling. That was like my big thing. But then I did it like too much, and I got like burnt out from it. Um, yeah. Uh, Things I've been into lately, I've been doing like um, my car. I have a 87 Cabriolet Mark 1 that I've been working on slowly. Needs more than I thought it needed. So couldn't get it safety this year, but hopefully next year. Um, I want to I want to do this stuff. I want to get back on the trainer, and I want to start cycling again. But I don't know. It's just something that's kind of stopping me from doing that. And uh, yeah, I just struggle, man. You ever feel that way? Like you want to show people stuff, but you don't know what they're gonna see or say. But also at the same time, you're like, what if what I'm showing it's already been done? Like there's so many iterations of people training for an Ironman or people being a hybrid athlete. Like I, I put a video out a few years ago of a training day, and deleted it because I'm just like, people are already doing this. No one's gonna want to watch that. Um, yeah, but like, I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to find something that I genuinely like doing, and I don't want to fall out of it. Like the car thing is working on the car has been great because I it's something I've never done before. I bought it partially for my mom because she had one when she was a teenager. So getting it running is like a big thing, and I'd like to get that finished. But now winter's here, so I can't really do that. Um, this winter I'd like to get back on the bike trainer, but we'll see. There's so many other things that I could be doing. And like, I don't know if the burnout is still there from just like training so much. Like, people don't realize when you do these things, you're training 5, 6, 7 hours a week, which doesn't seem like a lot, I guess. But when you work shift work, like I do, it's hard to fit it all in. Um, yeah, like, I'm 31. I thought I figured it out by now, or I thought I would have figured it out by now, but I'm still struggling with identity, who I am as a person. Like, do have I ever had an authentic thought in my life? Like, has anything I've ever thought been original? Or has somebody thought it before? Is everything for nothing, basically? Which is like, sounds depressing, but yeah. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. I just feel off. Some other things I've been into, like, I've been reading a little bit more. I gotta have Kindle. I'd like to jailbreak it if possible. Um, I also I got this, got an iPod. I fixed the headphone jack on it. Installed Rockbox, so maybe I'll do a video on that. Who knows? I'm trying to not be embarrassed, because I've heard a lot lately, like, being embarrassed is like the biggest barrier uh, of any individual. Like, just basically just do the thing that you want to do, and don't worry about feeling embarrassed. Does that make sense? I don't know. The guy that played Elvis, he said it a lot better than I did. To wrap this up, this is very long-winded and totally unnecessary. It could have made it a lot shorter, but I don't know where this is going. Uh, but maybe someone that watches it feels the same way I do. If you do, cool. We'll figure it out. Yeah, maybe I'll post some other stuff sometime. We'll see where this goes. Deuces.